Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to make field required or not required in ultimate member form in WordPress. So if you want you can make field required, or if you want you cannot make field required. So it's up to you. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in ultimate member form. So this is our default registration form, and then you see field. So click on edit. Now pop up open, and then you see is this field required. If you want you can make roles drop down field required. So it's up to you. If you want you can make this field not required like this, uncheck or check box according to your requirement, and then click on update. So it's up to you. So this is our default registration form, and after that click on update. Now form updated done. Go to profile page form. So this is our default profile. Now you see last name, so click on edit. Now you see pop up open, and then you see is this field required. If you want you can make it required, or if you want you can uncheck this box and then click on update. So in this way you can make field required or not required in ultimate member form in WordPress, in registration form, profile form or login form. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.